Imagine if your brain was like a factory that never closes. Even while you're snoring away, it's still working the night shift. But what exactly is it doing? Is it just shutting down like a computer on standby? Or is something much stranger happening inside your head? Well, buckle up, because tonight we're going to peek into the secret life of your brain while you sleep. Part 1, drifting off. The moment you start to feel drowsy, your brain begins to shift gears. Think of it like switching from high-speed Wi-Fi to energy-saving mode. Your brain waves slow down from busy buzzing patterns to gentle rolling ones. This is stage 1 sleep, where your muscles relax, your breathing slows, and if you've ever had that sudden falling sensation that jerks you awake, that's your brain testing the brakes on your body. It's like the warm-up act before the real show begins. Sleep and memory. Once you've slipped past the doorway, you enter light sleep, or stage 2. Now the brain gets clever. It starts sending out these quirky bursts of activity called sleep spindles. Little zaps of electricity that actually help lock in your memories. At the same time, big waves known as K-complexes crash through your brain, like giant do not disturb signs, making sure random noises don't wake you up. It's as if your brain is saying, shh, we're filing memories in here. Deep sleep, the night shift. Next comes the heavy-duty work shift. Deep sleep. This is where your brain powers down into slow delta waves, the lowest gear it has. And here's where things get wild. Your brain actually starts cleaning itself. No, seriously. The glymphatic system, which is basically the brain's cleaning crew, kicks into overdrive, washing away toxins and waste proteins that build up during the day. Imagine tiny custodians mopping the floors of your mind. This is also when your body repairs tissues, releases growth hormones, and strengthens your immune system. If you've ever wondered why deep sleep feels so refreshing, it's because your brain just gave itself a spring clean. Part 4, REM sleep, the dream factory. But just when you think the brain is done, things kick into high gear again. Welcome to REM sleep. Your brain waves suddenly look almost identical to when you're awake. This is dreamland, the stage where your mind becomes a movie director, mixing memories, emotions, and random thoughts into the wildest, weirdest storylines you'll ever experience. Flying through space, talking to your cat, falling endlessly. Thank your REM sleep. And here's the kicker. While your brain is going wild, your body is paralyzed. It literally shuts off your muscles so you don't start acting out your dream. It's the ultimate built-in safety feature. Now here's the twist. You don't just do this once. Each night, your brain runs this cycle 4 to 6 times. At the beginning of the night, you spend more time in deep sleep, scrubbing and repairing. But as the night goes on, your brain favors REM sleep, giving you more dreams before you wake up. So, the next time you close your eyes, remember this. Your brain isn't resting. It's filing memories, scrubbing floors, and directing blockbusters in dreamland. Kind of makes you appreciate bedtime a little more, doesn't it? What's the weirdest dream you've ever had? Drop it in the comments. I might doodle it in a future video. And if you loved uncovering the mysteries of your brain tonight, hit that subscribe button and join us here at DigiDoodles for more fun, bite-sized science every week. Sweet dreams. Wait a second. So now you know what your brain does when you sleep. But what about when you dream? That's where things get really wild. Subscribe my channel to watch my next video, all about the science of dreams. You won't believe what your brain is capable of. Stay tuned, it's really gonna exciting, and don't forget to subscribe.